Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm so happy you're here again today. I hope you're doing amazing, and if you're not, I hope this video can raise your vibration just a little bit. Today I'm gonna tell you how to make anyone obsessively think about you. When I first heard about the concept of telepathy, I was amazed. I was like, this is fucking awesome, and it's true. It works. We are all connected. We are all one. You hear that again and again from spiritual teachers. Everything is connected. It is one. So telepathy works. Whatever you think, he or she will think. It is so 111. I'm sure you experienced that already, that people mirror something back to you. They will always mirror you back. Whatever you believe, whatever you think about will be mirrored back to you. So if you're very insecure and you're always like, oh my god, he hates me, oh my god, he must think I'm ugly, oh my god, da, 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 he will start to think that. And that is actually also what happens when people manifest their specific person back. They say, he wants me back, he wants me back, he's so obsessed with me, he's so obsessed with me, whatever. And he starts having thoughts. He's not thinking, it's not in his head that like, oh my god, Anna is thinking that she wants me back, or Anna is manifesting me back. That's not how it works, but he will start to think about you. I manifested people back so many times. In the last couple of weeks, I actually got proof a couple of times that this is real, because people suddenly said like such specific weird words that were in my head, or people can also sometimes mirror you back your affirmations. You can affirm for that. You can say that he or she should say this and this, and they will say it if you truly believe it. So we are all connected. Telepathy works. Whatever you think, the other person will think. And if you're very confident and you're like, he's obsessed with me, he loves me, he thinks I'm the prettiest, he will think that. This is how energy and manifestation work. And the most important thing, if you want someone to obsessively think about you, is to obsessively think about yourself. You have to be obsessed with yourself first. That's always how it works. You need to work on that. So I would suggest to work on self-concept. Self-concept will change your life drastically. Whatever your self-concept is will show up in your world, and whatever you believe to be true will be true. And if you're very confident in yourself, life will be easy. Everything will just fall into place. You will find friends, you will find boyfriends, you will get opportunities, you will have a lot of money, you will get prettier, everything will work out. So that is always what I would work on first, self-concept. And I actually have a video on that, so if you're interested in more information, check that out. But yeah, whatever you think about yourself, the world will mirror back to you. So start working on that, start thinking about that, journaling about that. What do you actually believe about yourself? What do you say to yourself daily, regularly? And change that. So you actually start loving yourself, and you start being obsessed with yourself, and people will become obsessed with you too. That's how it works. And the next amazing tip I have for you is to fill your life with amazing things. Fill your life with great things. Fill your life with joy, with love, with things that you love, things that you enjoy, so that you don't even give so much of a shit about what he thinks. Because your life is full, your cup is full, you love your life. That is so important, and that is a step that you can take action on. So find hobbies, do something that you love, educate yourself, read, go out in nature, do sports, have great friends, go out with your friends, do your makeup, do your outfits, whatever you enjoy, if you enjoy that. And when your life is full, when your cup is full, and when you actually love your life, people will flock to you like moths to light or whatever, because that is the energy that people get obsessed about. Think about who you become obsessed with. It's not the person that's depressed in their room, scrolling on their phone all day and complaining about their life. You are not obsessed with that person. You're obsessed with the person that has a life you look up to. So if you want someone to be obsessed with you and obsessively think about you, you have to be someone that someone can obsessively think about. So if you're too available, if you're too low vibrational, if you actually have nothing going on in your life, it will be harder. Of course, you can still manifest it, you can manifest everything, but that is a tip that I would suggest you so much from my deepest heart, because your life has to be great. Because then you're happy and then you love your life and then you stop obsessively thinking about them. Because a lot of people, I think, that will click this video and watch this video are obsessively thinking about someone, and they want to turn the energy around. They want the other person to obsessively think about them and stop obsessively thinking about the person. So you have to fill your life with other things. You have to do something. You have to enjoy your life and actually be distracted. Because if your only topic in your life is this person, you will become miserable. You should be the first priority. You should be on the pedestal. You should love yourself. So that is why I'm telling you to work on self-concept. That is something you can spend time on and energy on, and it will change a lot. It will change so much. It's also with friends. When you have a great life, they will come to you. But if you have nothing going on and you reach out and you're like, hey, can we hang out? Hey, what are you doing? Hey, they're not interested in you. But suddenly when you're busy, they want to hang out with you. Why is that? That is energy, and energy always speaks. Energy is everything. Your intention is everything. The action, the words, whatever, don't matter as much as the energy you do them with. You can say the same thing with a different energy, or just vibrate a different energy, and everything will be different. So if you have something going on in your life and you love your life and you start loving yourself, your energy field changes completely. And I actually just thought of a tip that I used to use when I was too obsessed with someone, especially guys, and if I could not stop thinking about them, and if I would push myself down, I guess. And that is, every time you start thinking about them, especially if you start thinking about them in a negative way, pull the focus back to you and start listing at least 10 things that you love about yourself and that are great about you. Your energy will shift like that. And what I also used to do is journal, and I would write down the things that he loves about me, the things that he's obsessed about me, because that turns your focus. You're not like, oh my god, he's so great, he's the greatest, and he's this and that, and oh my god. You're like, hey, I'm great, I'm fucking great. I don't know, he loves how funny I am, he loves how I do this, he loves the way I hug him, he loves, I don't know, think about something. He loves my hair, he loves my eyes, he's obsessed with my eyes. So many things. You can list so many things. And if you look at yourself through a different person and you actually start liking yourself and becoming obsessed with yourself, the person has no choice than to be obsessed with you too, because that is energy and that is manifestation, and telepathy is real. We are connected. I want you to actually try it out. Do the last tips I told you, where you redirect your focus to you. Work on your self-concept. You can go to my self-concept video for that. Start doing positive affirmations about your self-concept, about yourself. Start loving yourself, start being obsessed with yourself. And I would say in a day, but let's say in 3 days, you will see change in your world. You will see proof that something changed, from strangers, from friends, from family, from whoever. You will see it, trust me. So do these tips and try to do telepathy. Try to manifest a specific word or sentence from a person, and after it worked, come back and comment it under this video. Because it will work. I know that it works. I know it. So I want you to actually do this. Stick to these things. Do them really, like really. Don't just blah, 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 blah. Feel them. That is what does the change. If you feel them and if you do it from your heart. If you just do exercises to get something, it will not work. I'm sorry, it will not work. You have to actually truly feel it, and then it will work. So yeah, do all of these things. Come back to my video when it worked, because I promise you it will. And I hope to see you in my next video. I would appreciate if you give this video a like, comment something, subscribe to my channel, turn on the bell notification to never miss a video of me, and I hope to see you next time. Mwah! Much love to you all.